I'm Chef Candace Conley, and I'm going to show you how to cook celeriac. Now, the other name for celeriac is celery root, and it is this big, ugly, gnarly looking thing, and it happens to be a root vegetable that's really delicious, easy to prepare, and I think you're really going to like it. But the first thing you have to do is you have to get down to the vegetable part, so you want to cut the top and the bottom off, and then work your way around the vegetable, taking all the brown parts off with your knife. Once you've done that, then cut it into a fairly large dice. You're going to place it in water and then boil it on top of the stove until it's tender. 15 minutes to get to that point. Once you've done that, you're going to drain it and then you're going to mash it. And it's a great alternative to mashed potatoes. And you mash it just the way that you would with potatoes, using a little bit of milk and butter. And it is a great side for all your dinners. I hope you enjoy it.